Ka-chow!
Start by popping the hood. Unhinge the hood latch and lift the hood. Remove these two Phillips head screws. These plastic inlets should be more attached. They're usually connected to each other with pressure, so they will pull apart, just probably not this easily. Remove the two Phillips head screws holding the top of the airbox together. You'll unlatch the hoses so you have a bit more wiggle room. If it didn't come undone, undo this hose from the airbox. Undo the metal clamp and remove the top of the airbox from the inlet tube. The airbox has these little feet that slide into position. You'll need to slide the airbox off of these to remove the top half. Then gently work the top half of the airbox around the hoses and out of the car. This air filter wasn't that dirty, but it was incredibly old and brittle. I'll put a part number in the description. Install in reverse order. Work the airbox lid down under the hoses and slide the feet down onto their respective shelves. Put the intake hose back on, replace all hoses into their respective holders, and tighten down the two Phillips head screws to hand tight. Put the hard plastic inlet back in. This has a fitment so that one rests inside the other. Put the front two Phillips head screws back in at hand tight, double check everything, and then give yourself a pat on the back.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.